My name is Caleb and my title is Panel Beating Apprentice, 3rd year.
My name is Dylan Hoskin and I'm a automotive refinish technician.
My name is Caleb and my job title is Spray Painting Apprentice.
I have been working at Sheen Panel Service for just under 4 years now. My favourite thing about working at Sheen's probably free lunch Fridays, to be honest.
Oh, well, I get taken care of, you know, free lunch Fridays, you know, here you get coffees every Wednesday. Just the people and, you know, management take care of me.
My favourite thing about working at Sheen would probably be actually doing multiple different things.
At the start, Sheen provided me with a toolkit, on top of that with a tool allowance.
I would recommend Sheen because there's great benefits, great support team, multiple opportunities that they provide for you. Everything's taken care of, it's pretty stress-free.
The way this shop flows is pretty good, you know, everyone's on the same page and we go to the painters if they need help or they go to us, let us know before we do anything.
Sheen Panel Service definitely stands out for their quality.
We always get the jobs done and make sure they're done properly.
I'd just say their quality really.